Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a house in Blender. So let's get started. I will just enable my screencast keys so that you can see whatever key I type on the left and bottom side corner. So first, as usual, you will have to go to this viewport shading area, scroll down, click on cavity, and for the type enable, go to the option both. Okay. Then we need to go to the dimensions. So here you can just go to item, just expand this. Okay, so here inside item, first we need to change the y-axis to 6, x-axis to 4, and z-axis to 3.5. in location Z, set it to 1.75. okay, so that is already set. Sorry, not this one but this one, 1.75 over here. Alright, then I'll just close this. Then we'll have to go to minus y-axis and then go to edit mode, and here we'll select the top face. So I'll just select the face mode, I'll select the top face, and then I'll just press E. As you can see, it is already in the Z direction because of that blue color. If it is not, then you have also need to press Z key. It is already in Z direction, so I'm not pressing Z or Z, I'm just pressing E, and I'll just extrude it at the top, something like this. Okay, then we need to select the two vertices. So I'll just go to this vertex mode, I'll just select this first two, then press M, merge at center, then go to this two as well. So I'll just select this one and I'll select this one, M, at center. So yeah, it is already starting to look like an house. Then we select the face mode and select the top faces. So go to face mode, we'll select these two top faces. So make sure you press shift key as well to select both of them, then do P selection. Then we can rename it as roof. So here it is, I'll just rename it as roof. Then just do SY a little. So again I'll just go back to object mode, I'll select this roof, okay, go to edit mode, I'll press A key to select everything, SY, and here you can see, just do it like this a little bit. Okay, I think it's too much, I'll just do command Z, SY. So yeah, something like this should be enough. Then we need to do mesh, extrude, then extrude face along normals, and just do something like this, just a little bit. Then enable offset even. So here you will see this option, enable this offset even option, and then we'll have to select the top edge. So and I'll select this edge mode, I'll select this top edge and of our roof, and we'll have to bevel it. So I'll just do command B to bevel it, just bevel it like this. Okay, then set the number of segments to 4. Then select the bottom face of the roof. So this one, this is the bottom, sorry, we'll have to go to face mode, we'll have to select this bottom face and just press shift and select the, sorry, not this one, we'll have to select this one. Okay, so these two bottom faces should be selected. Then again we just have to do mesh, extrude faces along normals, and just expand it in this direction. Okay, so it has expanded. Then set the offset to 0.2. Then we need to add a cube, so I'll go back to object mode, add mesh, and here I will just add a cube. Then rename it as chimney, then move it along x-axis. So again I'll just select the move tool, I'll move it along the x-axis and scale it down. So I'll just scale it down like this. Then scale it in the Z direction, SZ or SZ. Okay, Then we need to go to edit mode, select the top face, and we need to do ES to move it little bit out. Then extrude to top, so EZ, sorry, I think E, it is already, I don't need to press Z because it is already in the Z direction. Then we need to insert a little, so I'll just press I twice, and you can insert it like this. Then we need to again press E and extrude it in the down direction as well. Then we need to select the bottom face and delete it, so I'll just select this bottom face, X, delete faces. Then we need to go to object mode and place it on our house. So again I'll just move it somewhere over here, over here. So here you can see it is not proper, so I'll just move it over here. I'll move it over here. I think it's quite big. I'll just scale it down a little bit more. Okay, alright, so I think this should be okay. Then we need to select the house, switch to edit mode again, and select the bottom face and delete it. So I'll just select the bottom face, X, delete faces. Then add a loop cut at the bottom of the house, and then we'll have to select the bottom face. So I'll just take a loop cut from over here. I'll just move it down, something like this. Okay, then we just need to select the bottom face of the loop cut and then just do ENS. So I'll just go to face mode. I'll just click on this so that I can get rid of our loop cut. I'll just select all this side by pressing shift, then do ES and just expand it a little bit. So yeah, something like this looks okay. Then again we need to select the bottom faces and delete them. I'll go to face mode. I'll select this face, select this face, this face and this face, press X, delete faces. Then we need to add a cube, so again I'll just go back to object mode, add mesh cube. Then again we need to, I'll just like hide my house just so that you can see my cube properly. We need to first need to scale it little bit, not this, so something like this, XX, scale it in the X direction. So yeah, something like this, and we need to stick it to the wall of the house. So again I'll just enable my house over here. I'll just move it like this. So this is kind of like a door, so I'll just move it over here. So yeah, something like this. Just move it a little bit behind, just move it to the side, just move it little, just be approximate, and just do S Z and just move it over here. Okay, I'll just move it little bit down as well. Alright, so then we need to go to yeah, we have already done it, so we can rename it as door. Sorry. Alright, once this is done, then on the door we just need to press Ctrl A or Command A and click on all transforms, because we have made changes to the scale and rotation. Then again select your house, Command A, all transforms. Then on your house we need to go to modifier, add a boolean modifier, and select this eyedrop icon, and here you will have to choose the door and then just click on apply. Then we can hide the door, so I'll just hide the door from over here, and here you can see it has created a door like structure for us. Then again select our house, so it is already selected. I'll go back to edit mode and I'll select the door face. I'll press X and delete faces. Okay, then we need to select the inner door face, so I'll just go inside. So from the back I'll go zoom in a little bit. So yeah, here you can see this is our door, right? Sorry, and I'll just zoom in, I'll just move up a little. So I'll just select this particular face, this face, this face and the top face. Press X, delete faces. Okay, then we need to unhide the door. Once again go back to object mode, then just select the door again, go back to edit mode, then delete the back of the door face. So this is the back, we are already in over here. So X faces. Okay, and we need to delete the bottom of face as well, so I'll just select the bottom face, X faces. Then we insert the front face, so I'll just go back to the front side, select the front face, press I again to insert it. So it is not working for me, I don't know why. Let me just enable. Yeah, so something like this. And we disable boundary option. Okay, then we extrude it inside, so I'll just press E and extrude it inside. Then we need to go to object mode and add a cylinder. Go to object mode, add mesh cylinder, then set vertices to it and RY90. Select the back face and delete the face. So I'll just hide the house just to show it to you. I'll just go to edit mode, select the back face, X, delete faces. Then I'll select the front face, I'll extrude it, E to extrude, then S to scale, so something like this. Then select scale the and then we need to extrude twice again, so E to extrude again, E to extrude again, then S to scale again. So yeah, now it looks like a doorknob. Then just select everything, by pressing A and S to scale it completely down. Okay, then go to object mode and we can I'll just unhide the house and I can just move this doorknob. So I'll just move it to the front, and I'll just place it around the door position. So yeah, something like this looks okay. So I'll just move it a little bit to this side. Okay, so this looks okay to me. Then again we need to add a cube, add mesh cube, then move it to window position. So I'll just bring it over here, bring it over here, I'll bring it over here as well, and make sure you bring it more to the front so that very little part of our cube is actually connected to the house. Now I'll need to scale it, so I'll just press S to scale it. Don't worry about scaling on the x-axis. If you want, you can scale it, but here you can see very little part is connected with the house. Most of the part is outside the house, so make sure you do that. That is the important part. If you want to scale it more, yeah, you can scale it. So yeah, something like this, whatever you seem right. Okay, then we need to just right click on this, set origin to 3D cursor, then click add modifier. Then we need to add just a mirror modifier. Then here I'll just select Y, I'll disable X, Then we need to click on apply it, so I'll just click on apply. Then we need to select our house. I'll add a boolean modifier again. Then I'll just select this eye drop icon, I'll select this window, and I'll just apply this as well. Then we need to delete our window, so I'll just select our window, press X, delete, and here you can see this kind of looks like a window. Then select the house again, go to edit mode, and we'll select the window face. Then P selection just to separate it. Then go to object mode, select our window, rename it as window. Then select the window face. Okay, go to edit mode and insert a little, so I'll just select this eye and eye again. Okay, it's not working for me, so I'll just click on it and I'll enable this boundary option. Now I will try again. I'll just press I. Here you can see I'm able to insert it. Okay, now we need to add 2 vertical loop cuts, so I'll just add 1 loop cut. I'll change the number of cuts to 2. Then I'll just have to press SY to bring it little bit in. Then I'll add a loop cut again. I'll just add it horizontally, again number of cuts to 2. Again I'll just press SZ, move it in. Okay, now we need to dissolve the faces, so again I'll just select this particular so that I can get rid of my loop cut. I'll go to face mode. You'll have to select these faces one by one, so I'll first select this 3 face, press X, dissolve faces. Then select the bottom one, X, dissolve faces. Then select this 3, X, dissolve faces. Then select this 3, X, dissolve faces. Alright. Okay, then we'll just select all of this part, and this, and we'll just extrude it on the x-axis. So yes, something like this looks okay to me. Then again we have to go to object mode, select our house, go to edit mode again, select the other face, X, delete faces. Then again go back to object mode, select the window, again go back to edit mode, and sorry, we don't need to go to edit mode. I'll just go back to select the window, right click, set origin to 3D cursor, and we need to add a mirror modifier to this. Then just select the Y part. I'll hide the X, like unselect the X. Then again select our house. We have to go to edit mode. Then just add a loop cut over here at the start. Change number of cuts to 2. Okay, now you will have to move this in a little bit, which is closer to your house, to our door, sorry. So I'll just press S Y to move it in. Okay, so something like this, and I'll have to move it a little bit slide to the right hand. So I'll just click on this move tool and I'll move it like this so that it is approximately at the center. Okay, then we just need to go to face mode, select this particular face, okay, and extrude it. So I'll just press E to extrude it. Then add a loop cut to it, again a loop cut. So I'll just select this loop cut, I'll add a loop cut over here. Then again I'll just select this, I'll select this bottom face as well. Again I'll go to face mode, I'll select the bottom face, I'll press E again and extrude it a little bit more. Okay, now you can just add some colors. If you want, I'll just go to object mode. Here you can see this is our house, and I can just go to materials. If you want, you can go to this particular, I think what this is called, the third option. It takes a bit of time. Okay, so I'll just assign some colors. I'm assigning some random colors. Maybe you can make it more pretty. So I'll just assign this brown type color. Then I'll just go to edit mode. I'll just select my window. Where is my window? So this is my window. Okay, I'll click on this plus button again. I'll click on new. I'll click on assign, and for windows I'm just assigning some random color. Okay, I don't know why this is not getting. If applied, have I assigned it? Okay, I don't know why, sorry about this. And next we'll just need to go to object mode. I'll just select our house, new, just apply some color to this, and I'll apply some color to this as well. Okay, pink color chimney, that looks, yeah, something like this. If you want to change the roughness or metallic property, yeah, you can increase the metallic. If you want, you can decrease the roughness. I don't know why the window part is not getting changed. Maybe I'll just have to remove this. Okay, go to edit mode. I'll press A to select everything, click on new. Hopefully now this changes the color. Yeah, red, maybe, yeah, something like this. So yeah, that's it. That should be okay. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can do it. If you want to export it, you can export it as well. But yeah, that should be it. Thank you for watching. Bye.